Hey there! Craving a silky smooth dessert, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? You're in luck. Today I'm showing you how to make the creamiest leche flan you've ever tasted. And the best part? We're using an air fryer to make it super easy. This coconut twist will blow your mind, and I promise it'll become your new favorite dessert. All ingredients are in the description below. So let's make some magic happen. All right, let's dive right into making this delicious creamy leche flan using an air fryer. First things first, we need to preheat our air fryer. Set it to the bake, setting at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial because we want our flan to cook evenly. And preheating ensures that the air fryer is at the right temperature when we start baking. While it's heating up, we can move on to the next step.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The air fryer I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Now, let's prepare the caramel. Grab a small saucepan and combine some light brown sugar with a bit of water. Place it over medium heat and let it come to a gentle simmer. You'll want to swirl the pan occasionally, but resist the urge to stir it. This helps the sugar caramelize evenly. Keep an eye on the color. It should turn a lovely amber shade. Once it reaches your desired color, immediately turn off the heat. Quickly pour this caramel into a ramekin or a small oval baking pan and let it cool and set. This will form the sweet, sticky base of our flan. Next up, we're going to prepare the egg mixture. In a bowl, break open the egg yolks and start stirring them gently in one direction with a spatula. This helps to keep the mixture smooth. Gradually add in the condensed milk, evaporated milk, a splash of key lime juice, and a touch of vanilla extract. Keep stirring in that same direction until everything is well blended. Be careful not to overstir, as we want to avoid incorporating too much air into the mixture, which can affect the texture of the flan. Once your egg mixture is ready, it's time to strain it. Place a fine mesh strainer over a glass measuring cup and pour the egg mixture through it. This step is important because it removes any lumps or air bubbles, ensuring a silky smooth flan. It might take a little patience, but it's worth it for that perfect texture. Now, let's assemble and cook the leche flan. Pour the strained egg mixture over the caramel in your ramekin. Give the ramekin a gentle tap on the counter to eliminate any remaining air bubbles. Next, place the ramekin in a larger pan and carefully pour hot water into the pan to create a water bath or bain-marie. Make sure the water doesn't get into the ramekin. Cover the pan with aluminum foil to keep the steam in. Place the whole setup in the air fryer and cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick or knife inserted into the center comes out clean. After cooking, allow the leche flan and ramekin to cool completely. This is an important step because it helps the flan set properly. Once it's cooled, pop it in the refrigerator to chill. This chilling time is crucial for developing that creamy texture we're aiming for. Finally, it's time to serve. Once your flan is nicely chilled, take a knife and gently run it around the edges of the flan to release it from the ramekin. Place a plate over the ramekin, and with a quick flip, invert it to serve. You should see that beautiful caramel sauce cascading over the flan. And there you have it, a creamy, dreamy leche flan made right in your air fryer. Enjoy!